I just thought you were really pretty. Can I get like your Instagram or number or anything? Are you sure?
His riz was top tier.
Excuse me. Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by this table again? Oh, I'm sorry. I get really gassy when I'm nervous. I get really nervous around pretty girls. I'm really have to go to the bathroom. Could I maybe get your number first before I go to the bathroom real quick?
Bro overcooked.
You need a weed!
Do you believe in love at first sight, or should I maybe pass by again?
Do you think she should pass around again?
Hey, ladies. Hey, guys, can I get a number?